Hey there, trainers. Today we're going to open up this Elite Trainer box, the Destined Rivals one. You know, it comes with all the normal stuff. You get your sleeves. You're going to get the burn and poison counters. You're going to get a nice Team Rocket dice. The dice counters, the little book, all your packs, and hollow energies. Right? So, let's open this up. Right, so you get your little player's guide, tells you all the cards that are in the set. And now for the moment we've all been waiting for. Get your promo card. Oh, it's not hollow energies, it's a stack of energies, okay. These, been waiting for these. Got in here. That nice Team Rocket dice. Burn counters and everything. And packs. Packs on packs on packs. Nose Pass. Team Rocket's Raticate. Aracuda. Team Rocket's Mimikyu. Marnie's Morgem. Team Rocket's Archer. Hippodon, Zeraora, okay, and Crustle. All right. That next pack. Go for this one. Pineco, Clamperl, Ponyta, Marnie Scraggy, Team Rocket's Golbat, Mudsdale, Arvin Sandwich, Marnie Scrafty, Electabuzz, Gorbapass, okay. Kind of weird. All my Destined Rivals packs feel like they're almost like loose. You know, did any of you guys get lucky out in the wild trying to find Destined Rivals this weekend? I know it was a little crazy. Lines were kind of out the door. I know around me, all the Targets gave out their Destined Rivals and their 151 not prismatic, their 151 Blooming Waters, sorry. Their 151 Blooming Waters the night before. So I actually didn't get a chance to get any of that, which is unfortunate. Oh, I messed up. Well, that's the hit. Okay. Open up another pack here. really want an IR. That's all I'm waiting for is an IR here. Okay, Breloom, Snover, Hippopotas, Steam Rockets Ekans, Sandwich, Misty Starmie, Rapidash, Team Rockets Spidops, okay. Missy's Magikarp, and Cynthia's Roserade. Okay, Basic Energy, Combuskin, Cynthia's Feebas, Team Rockets Dottler, Applin, Marnie's Scrafty, TM Machine, Hippodon, Rockets Blipbug, Team Rockets Watchtower. Ooh! Yes! The full art, yes. That's amazing. And we got the sleeves. Got right into a sleeve. All right. Can we get another hit? Can we get another hit? Russell. Okay. Really want to get another. I really want that Mewtwo, honestly. That's like my number one. Okay. And the last pack. Last pack luck. Hearth Flame Mask Ogerpon. The Cynthia Roserade. Oh, yes, full art. Or IR. I mean, wow. Okay. That's 2 Cynthia cards in this one ETB. Wow. That's pretty amazing. Not to mention a few other hits. We got the Cynthia's Garchomp, Team Rocket's Persian. And those are the main hits out of this ETB. Not bad. It's not bad.